John Tao, and I've been in the welding program for all my 4 years in high school. Uh, I'm certified in AWS 1.1, 3G7018 stick core, 3/8 plate to 3/4 plate. Uh, thing here I like about welding is that you get to learn real skills. Learn real skills and you get to apply them here. Uh, Throughout the courses, you steadily learn more and more about the processes, get better at it. And in the last course, equipment construction, you're kind of just free to go get yourself certified for just it. And also free to go do your own projects, weld your own stuff. After high school, I plan to go to Reset College, take the welding program there, and also take some. Okay, what I want to do is engineering. And I want to try welding engineering too, but that's like at certain colleges. So for now, I'm at college. I'm just taking the welding program and some stuff for engineering. Yeah.
Hello, my name's Asana Saya. I've been in the program for about a year and a half. Certifications that I've gotten is OSHA 10 certification, and also recently the AWS 7018 vertical up certification. And things I've enjoyed from here is just welding with my friends and getting the experience and hand-on experience, actually getting to learn how to weld myself. And then things I plan on to do after high school is go to UTI in Sacramento and go to the automotive course. And after that, take the welding program there.
My name's Aaron Greggins. I've been in the pathway for 4 years now. I've earned 4 certifications that consist of my OSHA 10 hours, my SMAW, flux core arc welding, GTAW, AWS D1.1 certifications. Some of my favorite memories include of being on the welding team and learning several things from Mr. Fishman working on my smoker project my senior year. My plan after high school is to attend Hobart Institute of Welding Technology and become an aerospace TIG welder.